Hi everyone, Kate here, and this week I'll be trying a cold cream recipe from the 1931 Beauty's Question and Answer Dictionary. I received this book a few months back as a birthday gift and was very excited to try one of the safer recipes it contained. This is the publication that had that gasoline shampoo from my Deadly Beauty video, so I did have to be a bit selective in my choice of recipe. In the end, I decided to start with this simple cucumber cold cream. For this recipe, you will need 4 fluid ounces of almond oil, 1 fluid ounce of jojoba oil, 1 ounce of beeswax, and 2 ounces of cucumber juice. To increase the shelf life of this product, instead of using a fresh juice, I've instead used 2 ounces of distilled water, mixed with 1 teaspoon, or approximately 0.09 ounces, of cucumber peel extract. This should make the final product much less prone to mold growth, while still providing all those cucumber skin benefits. Speaking of mold growth, you may also wish to use a preservative to increase the shelf life from a few weeks to at least a year or more. I like to use Optifin Plus as it is both paraben-free and formaldehyde-free. One last optional ingredient is just a pinch of mica for color. Start by mixing your oils and beeswax in a double boiler. Continue to heat and stir until all the beeswax has melted. Once the beeswax has fully melted into the oils, add in your water cucumber powder solution. Continue to stir and heat until you have a smooth liquid. Remove from the heat and beat with a set of electric mixers until the product has cooled and thickened. At this point, you can add in that pinch of green mica if desired. This gives a pretty green tint, but is completely optional. I actually wasn't quite happy with this color, so I ended up making a second batch later on, and it added an equal pinch of blue-green mica in addition to the other bright green. This canceled out some of the yellow and gave me a more cucumbery shade. Add in your preservative if using. Amount varies by brand, but for Optifin Plus, you will need 1% of your formula by weight. This should be about 0.08 ounces, but do weigh your final cream just to be sure. Spoon into jars and allow to fully set overnight. In the morning, you will have a soft, silky cold cream ready for use. This product makes for a great hand cream or a rich face cream. When using a face cream like this, my preferred method is to slather on a good amount, let sit for a minute, and then tissue off any excess. I find that gives me perfectly moisturized skin without any unpleasant greasiness afterwards. Well, that's it for this week. If you are interested in other cold cream recipes, I have a ton of videos on my channel, and I'll be sure to link to a playlist down below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.